how to add citation and references in the Word. So, hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how to add citations and references in the Word. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to open that Word document or report in your Word. So simply you have to open that file in Word app. So simply I'm opening it. So as you can see, I have this random file to add citation here. So to add citations and references in your report or a Word document, you have to go for the options like references. So simply you can see the options like references in here. So simply click on that option. So firstly, you'll have to move your cursor to that place where you want to add citation over there. So simply I'm adding the citation for here. Okay, so simply click on this insert citation option. Like in my case, I have already created a source. So if you are new and creating a new source, please click on this add new source. Here you have to choose the type of source. So simply it can be book or journal article or report, conference proceeding, or even website. So simply I'm selecting on this book section. So after selecting the type of source for your citation, please fill up this criteria for the citation. I have already created a citation here, so I'm canceling it. Okay, so I'm inserting the citation over there. Okay, so like you can see the citation has been added to my Word document where I pointed this cursor. And for the references, you will have to go for the options like bibliography, which is just at the right of the insert citation option. So simply click on that option. Before you click on this option, so again you will have to move your cursor over there where you want to add references. So generally it will be in the last of your Word document or report. So I'm adding over here. After pointing your location, you will have to click on this bibliography option just at the right side of your insert citation. So simply click on this. So after click on this option, you will got too many format for here like bibliography, references, or as work cited. So in this case, we are adding references. So simply click on this references section. And you can see the references has been added. So likewise, you can also add the references on your Word document or report. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.